Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is NGumah, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we'll be going over the top 3 stocks that you should be keeping in your watch list for the next few days, okay? For the next few days. So stay tuned. The very first stock that I would like to share with all of you right now is this one right here. I know. There you go. So let me zoom in right there. As you can see, the stock have been crushed throughout the past like 2 months or so, and now it's all the way back down to like $14 from $33. And the reason why I want to share this stock with all of you and break this down in great detail is because of the pattern on the 1 hour time frame. Actually, no, the pattern is on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30 minutes. Let's bring in more candles and let me make this bigger and bring it to the middle of the screen. And the pattern that I want all of you to see is this one right here, right there. Okay, and this right here is again a bullish pennant. And I actually put out a post to the community earlier this morning as soon as I saw this. So if you were able to see it and get in early, great. But this stock has a lot more room to run. And another thing that I want you to notice about this specific pattern is that right when it broke out right here, okay, right in here, it formed another pattern on the 5-minute chart. And if you zoom in right here, the pattern is that same exact pattern that I showed y'all on a 30-minute time frame, but this time it's on a 5-minute time frame and it's pointing to the same direction. So that's 2 reasons why. The third reason why I like this pattern so much is because if you go on the daily time frame and you zoom in right here, you can see that there is a giant gap right there that may get filled very, very soon. As I've told all of you before in my previous videos, about 90 to 95% of all gaps in the market get filled at some point in time. And the fact that there is a bullish pennant on a 30-minute chart and a bullish pennant on a 5-minute chart right outside of it that is leading to the same direction, that gives me a pretty good idea that the price target for this specific stock is anywhere in here. Literally anywhere in that zone is a pretty good amount of money with the right contract. Now, the second stock that I want all of you to keep on your watch list is this one right here. GRWG. Yeah, this one right here. Okay, and let's go to the daily time frame. And this one is for the short sellers. Again, practicing short selling will make you a better trader and kind of like put you in the mindset of the people on the other side. So this is why I want to share this with all of you. Again, practice short selling. It's a very, very essential skill in trading stocks. Now, as you can see, the stock went from $3 all the way up to $22. And if we zoom in closely to this candle right here, and it's pretty obvious. Look at the bottom right there. There's huge amount of volume, right? And there were a lot of FOMO buyers who got trapped between $20 and $22. And the stock gapped down and opened lower right here. And if you go onto the 5-minute time frame, we can see that it took a nasty drop, okay? And they tried to bounce back up and then it got crushed again. And aftermarket is looking like it's consolidated, but honestly, if we change this to the 1 hour time frame, this is not looking great, okay? I will be very, very, very shocked to see the stock climbing up here again, especially when you look at it on a daily time frame and you see how vertical it is. Like, I can see the stock tanking all the way down to like $12 or $13, like just anywhere around here very, very, very soon. Now, if you got value from this video, again, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm and also subscribe if you're new. Now, the third and final stock that I want all of you to keep on your watch list for the next few days is another bubble for the short sellers. Is this one right here, OTRK. Yes, all right. Now, this right here is OTRK. As you can see, it's been climbing up just like the other stock from $9 all the way up to $79. And if you go on here to the 5-minute time frame, the stock was looking great. It was cruising and crushing it. It was just going. It was just running up and up and up until the floor broke. The floor broke right here. All right. As soon as the floor broke, and actually if we take a good look at that, this right here is a bearish ascending wedge, and the appropriate entry for this pattern is anywhere in here, in between like $75 and $70, just anywhere in here. And if we change the time frame to the daily time frame, right, and let me erase the drawing. Yep, this doji right there with this massive amount of volume, as I've mentioned before, massive amounts of volume do not happen for no reason. This right there is called a gravestone doji. Now if you go on Google right there and you type in gravestone doji, here is what I want y'all to see. There's multiple examples of it, but the one, actually the two that I want y'all to see is this one right there. Yep, this one right here. As you can see, there is the run up, there's the green candle followed by the gravestone doji, and what happened next after the gravestone doji was a massive dump. Okay, and another one that I want to show y'all is this one. Is a good one. As you can see, it goes up, gravestone doji, and then it dumps right afterwards. It actually opens lower to where the previous candle was and dumps. Another example that I want y'all to see is this one right there. This is very, very, very clean. As you can see, here's the green candle again, the gap up, the massive rise. All of the FOMO buyers get trapped down here, and it completely just dumps and traps them at the top. And then the next day it opens lower, these people panic and they sell some more, which is what I anticipate in our stock right here. The previous candle closed at around $65, and today it gapped up. And now when we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the stock closed at exactly $78, which is near the open. And then in aftermarket, it's around $63 to $65, and I would not be surprised to see it open at around this price, go up just a little bit before fading all the way back down to where this candle started. If you're a beginner and you like the way I trade and you like my strategy and you're interested in getting started in the stock market, I left some links down below to show you the specific steps to get started. I also left a link to my favorite day trading book in the comment section below. Hopefully it helps you understand the terms that I use in my videos and my day trading strategy, and also the market as a whole. If you have any questions, definitely put them in the comment section below. I will get back to you as soon as I can, or I will make another video about it and explain it to you and for everybody else who's watching. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram. I do post the patterns that I spot daily, and I do post my entries and my exits on there as well. My name is Paul with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see y'all on the next one.